Okay, so I'm going to start off with using the Too Faced Hangover FX or Hangover RX Replenishing Face Primer. The hydration primer, and I do about 3 baby pumps. And I already put moisturizer on my face, but in the wintertime and like colder months, my face is like extra dry, my skin. So I barely have anything in here, but it's my Becca Backlight priming filter. And I'm kind of like stamping it in my skin. For foundation, I'm using the Double Wear foundation by Estee Lauder in the shade Toasty Toffee. And I have my Real Techniques blending sponge. Just gonna pour a little on the back of my hand. Okay, this is a full coverage foundation. Going to a basketball game tonight with my man. Going to see the Wizards and the Brooklyn Nets. I'm sure that's the team Jay-Z owns, right? The Brooklyn Nets. I know he owns a basketball team. I'm pretty confident in saying he owns the Nets. I live in the DC area, so the Wizards are close. By the way, you like my mini ears? This is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Concealer. And I'm going to use the shade Warm Beige. It's kind of light. I'm not really doing a dramatic eye or anything, so I don't want it like too bright. But I'm going to bronze, so it doesn't matter. But anyways, I'm just going to pop this on like so. I tend to like to let my concealer set a little before I blend it out, but I forgot just now, so we're going in. Okay, so for my, before I set my concealer with translucent powder, I'm going to take Toffee, same concealer but in the shade Toffee, to contour with, to cream to contour with. So I'm going to put a little on my nose. My cheeks, my chin, Cupid's bow underneath my lip, and then on my forehead. Have you guys been enjoying that I'm uploading more frequently? It truly makes me happy to upload. Like, I feel so happy. I haven't showed you guys my new apartment yet. I moved back in May. If you remember me telling you, I moved to my first apartment out of the nest, out of my mom's home. But some things went down, and yeah, I moved from where I was to a new place. So if you guys would like a story time of what happened and why I got 2 apartments in 4 months, let me know and I will do that for you. I'm trying new things, guys. So I'm going to use the Airspun powder by, I guess that's this. It's the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I got it from CVS. I remember there was a time where like everyone was using this and I just never did. Because I had got on Laura Mercier. But now I'm like, I love the Laura Mercier powder. But I'm looking to try new things. So, trying this one. So with my same sponge, I'm going to take some like that and stamp it into my under eye. I'm not baking. This smells like baby powder. I like it. And it's not really stark white. It has like a peachy-ish tone to it. And I'm making sure I'm really stamping that in. And it's crazy because this is my first time using it on myself. Like, I've used it for customers, clients. I am going to carve out my under cheek. I like the smell of it. It's messy too, y'all, so be careful. But I like that so far. I like the finish of it. I'm not baking for long. I'm using the Morphe 8H Hi-Fi palette. I'm going to use the shade Debutante, the shade right here, to contour with. And I'm setting the cream contour. And then I'm going to contour my nose as well, setting the nose contour. I am going to bronze my face with the Becca y Panama Sun Bronzer. Just bronzing my cheeks and a little of my nose. I am going to use blush. I'm going to use the MAC Peaches blush. And I like to put it on my apples, the apples of my cheek, and bring it backwards. And a little on my nose. I feel like my nose contour is a little harsh, so I'm just going to go over with my sponge and just diffuse it out a little. I always do my eyebrows before, you know, the rest of my face, before I start on my face or my eyes. I mean, no one's asked me for an eyebrow tutorial, so if you want one, let me know. No. It's up to you guys. I'm gonna give you what you want. I'm using the Dose of Colors DESI KATY Francation palette. I'm using their collection, by the way. Going for like a subtle look. I don't really want to do too much because I want the face to pop. I just want to do like something shimmery on the lid, nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna zoom you in. I'm going with the shade Churro right here, which is like a brownish color, and I'm gonna pop this in my crease. That's like oh, this is darker than I thought. Okay. I like to bring this up like closer to here, like that. I think I'm gonna use my finger for this next shade, and it's the shade Just a Kiss, and it's just like a glittery, like a golden reflex glitter, and I'm gonna use my ring finger to stamp that on my lid. I'm just like stamping that on, and I am bringing it up past the crease. This is really pretty. Can you see that? Typically I would just put the shimmer like on the lid and I'm bringing it up, but I want it on top of my crease color just to give it like an all around pretty glow. I'm gonna go back in with Churro and then put that on my bottom lower lash line. Just a little. I'm gonna go with the shade Basic. It's just this. It's the first shade in the palette. It's just a beige, a matte beige color, and I'm gonna highlight. Well, set my brow bone. I'm gonna do my lashes off camera, but the lashes I'm using are the Ardell Demi Wispy lashes For the highlight, I'm going to use the Chasing the Sun highlighter from the same collection. And never used it before, never swatched it, so. But I like it. Cute. For lips, I'm going to use a Mauve Story. I'm not lining my lips. Ooh, I like that formula. The formula reminds me of Kylie's liquid lipstick. And I'm going to top that with The Most, the lip gloss in the shade The Most. To set my face, I'm going to spray the Morphe setting spray. And that's it for the makeup. Nothing too crazy. And now I'm going to go fix my hair and put my clothes on and show you my outfit. Okay guys, so as for my outfit, I'm wearing this black, I think it's like a, honestly think it's like a hoodie dress because it comes pretty, well no, it's just like an oversized t-shirt and it's from Zara and it's just all black and it has a hood. And I have on this, sorry I'm out of breath because I'm like rushing, but I have on this black bomber that I got from Fashion Nova. I got these high-waisted, these high-waisted distressed jeans, which are from Go Jane. These boots are Fashion Nova, and then I just have my red MCM bag. But yeah, so this is my outfit for tonight. To the game, running behind, I gotta go to the bank, and then yeah. Anyways, okay y'all, so I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see from me next, and I will get that out for you. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out, and click the little bell thing so you're notified whenever I upload a video because, you know. But anyways, thank you. Love you.